Aw crap. I just walked into my garage and noticed that I have buckets of spent shell casings all dirty and waiting for me to clean and tumble. Ugh. I've got to sort all this brass I have in this pile, put it in buckets and bins.
All by caliber.
I've got to sort all this brass I have in this pile, so I have some brass to reload. 9 mil and 10 mil and 40 and 45 to 23, 300.
All these calibers.
500 Magnum goes with the 50 Beowulf because their mouths are .50.
Sort the brass now so I can't tumble. I want clean brass so that it shines. If you don't sort, then brass gets stuck. If brass gets stuck, then it won't shine.
Corn cob and walnut are both sufficient media. If you dry tumble, then you will get some dust. If you wet tumble, then you will have to dry your brass. Soon it will be super shiny. Ah! Now I have tons of brass, but I gotta reload.